Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Click and drag to select the single word or short phrase you want a link. Keep the selection focused to no more than 4 words for clarity. Make sure the selection is visible before moving on. This initial step is essential because Word requires a highlighted target for the linking command. If nothing is selected, the hyperlink command will not attach to text properly. Take a moment to confirm the cursor surrounds only the desired text. With text selected, press Ctrl+K to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog quickly. You can also choose Insert then Link from the ribbon if you prefer menus. In the address field, enter a full URL such as https://example.com or type a local file path. For email links, type mailto, someone at example.com with no spaces. Review the display text to confirm it matches the selected word. Click OK to attach the hyperlink to the highlighted text immediately. After creating a link, right-click the linked word to access link options. Choose Edit Hyperlink to change the address or display text when necessary. To follow the link inside Word, hold Ctrl and click the linked word, then verify the destination opens correctly. If the link is incorrect, return to Edit Hyperlink and paste a corrected URL. To remove a link entirely, right-click and choose Remove Hyperlink from the menu. Confirm the text remains intact, but no longer points anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.